Hey, Brian Parthemore here from Parthemore Paranormal. I figured I'd show you a video of this dump. They got a weird hippo in front of it, so I figured I'd go ahead and show you the hippo with red eyes. Well, today the dump is closed, but it's on Dayton Avenue. You see Anthony over there trying to fucking sit into the damn thing. But, what do you think of it?
Actually, you put the headlight here, it will make good review.
Yeah. So what do you guys at home think of this hippo? The hippie hop hippo or whatever. You see the mouth inside the mouth. When you go on this side and everything. What do you think of it?
It was cool, but I don't get the red eyes.
You don't get the red eyes either? I don't either.
The hippo's got normal eyes.
Well, that's pretty cool. Look down in the description. I'll have probably where it's located at. Actually, you see the location right up here. See if I can zoom in a little bit. It's at 630 Dayton Avenue, Springfield, Ohio. But it's pretty cool. What if does he got a tail?
Yes.
He got a black spot on his butt. Let me move back a little bit.
Let's see when it
Yeah.
Wait,
You got a red spot on the back.
and then on the bottom.
Okay. But you can see it's actually pretty cool. It's in good detail. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow Parthemore Paranormal, and keep exploring with us. We're checking out roadside attractions. We're doing more paranormal investigations. We're doing our urban exploring and everything. So just keep following us and everything, and hopefully you guys enjoy the videos and keep them going and everything.